Level 2 Balance Beam. The routine may be reversed in its entirety. However, no single element may be reversed unless indicated by an asterisk. There are 10 major elements in the Level 2 Balance Beam routine. Jump to front support mount. Whip swing to push-up position. Jump to tuck stand. Arabesque. Forward leg swing, backward leg swing. Releve. Lever to beam. Leg balance in forward passe. 180-degree pivot turn. Stretch jump. Cartwheel to side handstand dismount. Place both hands shoulder-width apart on the beam and jump to a front support, finishing with the arms straight and body extended. Lift the straight right leg over the beam with a 90-degree turn left, finishing in a straddle sit facing the length of the beam. Initiate the whip swing by allowing both legs to move slightly forward to create momentum for the whip swing. The legs remain straight throughout the swing. At the completion of the forward swing, swing both legs backward and upward, slightly separating the legs in order to clear the beam. When the feet are slightly above the level of the beam, join the legs to arrive in a push-up position on the balls of the feet, with the arms, legs, and body straight. Jump the legs forward to arrive in a tuck stand on the balls of the feet with the right foot in front of the left foot. Extend the legs to finish in a releve lock stand. Lower the heel of the right foot and simultaneously move the extended left leg forward and point the left foot on the beam. As the left foot touches the beam, immediately brush the extended left leg backward to finish with the left foot pointed on the beam. Keeping the torso erect, lift the turned out straight left leg backward upward a minimum of 30 degrees above the beam. The left hip is allowed to unsquare slightly to show turnout in the arabesque. Hold 1 second. Lower the left leg to point the left foot behind on the beam. Step forward onto a straight left leg with the left foot slightly turned out, not in releve. Swing the slightly turned out right leg forward to horizontal or above. When the forward leg swing reaches its highest point, pull the leg down quickly to close in front of the left foot with both heels down and the feet slightly turned out. Swing the left leg backward upward to a minimum of 45 degrees below horizontal. Pull the leg down quickly to close behind the right foot to finish with both feet flat on the beam and slightly turned out. Demi-plie both legs. Immediately extend both legs and slide the right foot backward to finish in a releve lock stand. Step forward onto a straight left leg flat or in releve. Kick the left leg forward to horizontal or above. Step forward to the ball of the right foot and execute a right lunge. Straight leg entrance is also acceptable. Lift the left leg backward upward, maintaining a straight line from the hands, torso, and left leg while reaching for the beam. Continue this levering action and lift the left leg backward upward as the torso lowers. Reach forward to touch the beam with the fingertips. As the back leg lowers, lift the torso to step down using the levering action to finish in a right lunge, pressing the right knee and both hips forward. Extend the right leg. Simultaneously bend the left knee forward and pull the pointed left foot forward upward to touch the right knee. Forward passe. Hold 2 seconds. Step forward left and close the right foot behind the left foot in releve lock stand. Execute a quick, sharp 180-degree pivot turn to the right in releve lock stand. Maintain straight body alignment and high releve throughout. Demi-plie both legs, lowering the heels down onto the beam and the feet slightly turned out. Push off the beam, extending both legs through the hips, knees, ankles, and toes with the legs together to execute a stretch jump. During the jump, the inner thigh should press together, resulting in the heel of the right foot pressing against the front of the left foot. Land on both feet simultaneously in demi-plie, pressing through the balls of the feet to lower the heels toward the beam. Extend the legs to finish in a straight stand, not in releve. Bend the left leg backward upward a minimum of 90 degrees, finishing with both knees touching to execute a fish pose. Step forward onto a straight left leg, flat foot. Kick, flat or in releve, the right leg forward to horizontal or above. Step forward through the ball of the right foot and execute a right lunge. A straight leg entrance is also acceptable. Lift the left leg backward upward, maintaining a straight line from the hands, torso, and left leg while reaching for the beam. Continue this levering action and lift the left leg backward upward as the torso lowers. Reach forward to place the right hand sideways on the beam as the body turns 90 degrees left. Place the left hand on the beam sideways, hands shoulder width apart, as the right leg pushes off the beam to execute a side handstand with legs together, shoulders extended, hip angle open, head neutral, and focus on the hands. Mark this position. No hold is required. Maintain a straight body position while lowering the body to land facing the beam. Demi-plie as the feet contact the mat in a balanced and controlled position. Stick, pressing through the balls of the feet to lower the heels onto the mat. Extend the legs to finish in a straight stand facing the beam. The Level 2 supplementary skills on balance beam are 3 sets of passe releve holds with 180-degree heel snap turn, cartwheel to handstand on low beam, overbalance to back lying position, and overbalance with 90-degree turn to push-up position. Start in a straight stand with the right foot in front of the left foot. Bend the left knee forward and immediately pull the pointed left foot forward to touch the right knee, forward passe. Push down on the beam with the right foot and execute a releve, lifting the heel off the beam as high as possible. At the completion of the releve, immediately lower the right heel onto the beam. Repeat the releve hold 2 more times. After lowering the heel on the beam following the third releve, push down on the beam with the right foot and begin to snap the heel around to execute a 180-degree heel snap turn to the right. Increase the releve throughout the turn to finish the turn in full releve. At the completion of the turn, immediately lower the right heel onto the beam. Repeat on the other leg. Step forward through the ball of the right foot and execute a right lunge. Straight leg entrance is also acceptable. Lift the left leg backward upward, maintaining a straight line from the hands, torso, and left leg while reaching for the beam. Continue this levering action and lift the left leg backward upward as the torso lowers. Reach forward to place the right hand sideways on the beam as the body turns 90 degrees left. Place the left hand on the beam sideways, hands shoulder width apart, as the right leg pushes off the beam to execute a side handstand with legs together, shoulders extended, hip angle open, head neutral, and focus on the hands. Overbalance the handstand. Maintain a straight body and fall to a flat back position on an 8-inch landing mat. In this variation, execute the side handstand with legs together. Slightly overbalance the handstand while shifting the weight to the right arm. Lift the left hand off the beam and execute a 90-degree turn on the right arm. Maintain a straight body position and lower the body, placing the left hand on the mat to finish in a push-up position with the legs together and balls of the feet on an 8-inch landing mat.